I wasn't even recording. Okay, so first shade I'm gonna take is Velorio, and I'm going to, am I recording? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna pop this inner and outer corner. So focusing it on the base of the lash line, and I'm going backwards because sometimes when I over apply the color in a certain area, this helps me blend it a little bit more. I don't know why. Um, and then I'm taking the shade next to it called Sangre. Damn, I thought that said sangria earlier. Okay. And I'm gonna apply that right on top of Velorio. I'm going to clean my brush off a little bit. I'm doing it on my shorts. And then I'm gonna take Sangre and blend that out. So start kind of towards the edges of the color. Again, focusing on the edges. And you want to try to not get too close to the inner corner or like to the center of the eye when applying the color on the inner and outer corner. Sometimes it's hard. Zooming you in even more. Now I'm gonna take Corazon, which is a brighter red, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the other two colors we've already applied. I'm actually taking a brush that's a little bit fluffier than that to blend that out, and that's kind of when you start seeing a little bit more red. So for the glitter, I didn't want to incorporate another eyeshadow or another palette, so I'm gonna use the Milani Line Play. This is the shade 01 Peachy Keen, and it's kind of like a little bit of a rose gold. It's a little rose gold shade, and I'm just going to pat this center of my eye. This is an eyeliner, by the way. And then just blend it in, pat it right into place, and then whatever's left, a little in the inner corner and then a little bit in the outer corner. And then I'm gonna do another layer. These are really, really inexpensive too. And then whatever's left, take it up. I'm gonna go back in with that tiny little brush and do a little bit of sangre. Do a little bit of that here, kind of make its way in there. This is a really easy way of doing a halo eye without having to cut a crease. I love a cut crease halo eye, but this is just so much easier, you know? You can't see it on camera, but in person it is really shimmery. Now I'm gonna smoke the hell out of the bottom lash line. This is my favorite brush to do that with, and I also love it for lips. This is the Morphe 213. I'm gonna take Sangre and apply it right, literally touching my lower lash line. Okay, then I'm gonna take that first brush and take Corazon, which is the bright red, and go literally right underneath it, and then up, and then slide down a little bit. To tight line, I'm taking the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. I love this eyeliner, and it's so cheap. It lasts all day. Actually, I should have applied mascara and not applied it, but not curled my lashes, because it's gonna be hard to get my falsies on now. I've been using the Grande Lash serum for like a week. Y'all, I might not even put on falsies. That's crazy. Because my lashes were long, but they were not full, like, at all. Oh, okay, don't buy it at Ulta. sorry, Ulta, do not buy, wow, I'm so excited right now. Don't buy that serum in Ulta. If you have a friend that's a cosmetologist or something, have them buy it for you at Salon Centric, honestly. I, uh, you see, I'm getting carried away with mascara now because they look good. And it's not this mascara, because I've used this mascara since it came out. Not like I buy it, but I keep getting trial sizes of it. I can't fucking get rid of it. Wow, I'm hyped. I am hyped right now. Oh my god, the lashes I was gonna wear aren't like that heavy. They're the Kiss ones. And my lashes are longer than this. Oh, you don't know how excited I am because I'm hairy as fuck. Hair, face, brows are massive, but my lashes just, they weren't there, now they're there. Okay, let me figure out, let me get myself together and figure out what lashes I want to put on. So I just added the NYX lip liner in mauve and Morphe Honey lipstick. I wanted to keep the lips kind of subtle. You could do like a bold lip, like Morphe makes one called Bloodshot that's like really deep. That would be cute, but then you're heavy all over. And I kind of wanted to keep the intensity on the eyes. I feel so weird with my hair because I feel so weird. I feel like, I don't, the hair, I'm getting used to it, but I'm trying to do different shit because without my bangs. But I ordered clip-in bangs and I cannot wait for them to come in. I know you probably don't give a fuck, but I'm so excited. Anyways, so completed look, super easy. And I wanted to make sure I did something else with the, what I do with it, I wanted to make sure that I did something else with the Muerte palette. I keep putting it back in its box because it's just and also my Gemini palette broke in my drawer. Like I don't know how it did, but it broke in my drawer, so I feel like they're a little sensitive and all my melt stacks are broken. So I'm just keeping it in the box. I want to make sure that it lives a long time. But yeah, this is a completed look. I hope you like it. I hope it is wearable to you. I wanted to make sure I did something that was easy, wearable, and I think it's like cute for holiday. But yeah, let me know if you have any requests. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hate doing outros. I'm gonna go now.